Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the idea that we brought based on the challenge presented to us by the hackathon of 2025. The idea we came up with is called Port Pulse, and our catchphrase is the heartbeat of connected harbors. What problems did we see when we did a brainstorm? The first one is whenever boats would come to port, they waste time and fuel looking for attempting to dock, so they waste up to 2 liters of fuel each time. And they also have outdated methods, which means that 70% of marinas in Southern Europe still use manual berth tracking methods. And they have very fragmented systems in the way that there's a lot of apps to use to track weather systems, to book docking, but there's no one standardized system that exists across the Adriatic Sea for real-time berth availability. Not to mention that the methods that these marinas use is very outdated, still phone call related, and they rely on pen to paper and Excel. So these problems give us opportunity to develop our idea. So why this matters is there is a yearly increase in leisure boat traffic in the Adriatic, mainly 20%. And there's also environmental impact, which is rising emissions from idle cruising and wasted fuel. And digital adoption is very important right now as boaters start getting younger. The Gen Z generation is mostly focused on the digital adoption. So what's our solution? Our solution is Port Pulse. It is a real-time docking info that has live updates on berth availability. It's neither an app nor a website, but it's a system that is meant to to be a backbone of any system or application that wants to work in this navigation, in this Adriatic Sea, or in this marina platform. So what does it do? It has a real-time docking info. It has live updates on berth availability by using Internet of Things and various other methods. It has a seamless reservation system for berths, and it has also a carbon footprint calculation based on environmental impact tracking. So our digital system is able to be integrated into any kind of marina app or website by using smart logic and multi-source data to streamline interactions. So what are the core features of our product? The first one is to optimize berth allocation. As we know, the greatest problem that boats and marinas face is space and pricing. So as we cannot build new marinas or new systems, what we can do is optimize the systems that we already have. So our system would be able to match boats to berths based on their size, their timing, and their availability, meaning that they are able to optimize the space. They have real-time tracking, marina coordination, and predictive logic. So they have sustainability plus user benefits, which is they reduce fuel waste, eco-awareness, user trust, and sustainable operations. What's our standardized action? Our application is used to real-time data through apps and dashboards. They have live updates. They have connected network, sharing berth status, and streamlined, reliable, and app-based interface. What makes us unique is it's able to be integrated to any kind of website or application or any platform that wants to use or to be used by a marina system or boaters. They have a connected network. It's smart and predictive and eco-friendly. It has an eco-friendly design. So we have target users and use cases, which are private boat owners, marina operators, and port authorities, which is multi-user based. So why our solution matters is because we want to have both environmental benefit and social impact. So it reduces fuel waste, optimizes berth usage, and supports green boating, while less stressful boaters, boosts coastal tourism, and empowers smaller marinas. So we will be able to integrate into marina websites. We will be able to be integrated into boating apps, data sources, and smart insights as we are trying to create a system that will be a backbone for any future application or system that might come into place without replacing anything, without making people download an app or get used to anything new. So our application is technologically feasible, it's doable, it is economically viable as it has very low barrier to entry, and it's already a proven approach as it has been proven in hotel aggregation and smart parking sectors. And our stakeholders would be marina owners, boaters, navigation, marine electronic companies, local governments, developers and API partners. So it's very wide, as it is a service that will be implemented into any system that wants to be used in a navigation platform or in marinas. And this system is expected to show profit within the first 2 years of implementation. What are some challenges that we expect to face? Well, there's data gaps, as most marinas are still using Excel or paper systems. But this means that we can start smart and begin with tech-savvy marinas first to gather more data. We have integration pushback, which we could use by educating the people, and also first by providing low-code plugin, which is frictionless integration. We have data trust, which we could fix by providing a trust layer, and also fragmentation, which we could fix by OpenAPI and the like. So here we have included some of the competitive companies and the advantages we give based on our system. And finally, we are a team of students and young graduates. We are portables, and we are looking to create smarter seas, greener marinas, and a connected coastline for everyone. Thank you.